Alright, so I walked into Forster, which is about, according to the Google Maps, straight up the highway. It's 167 kilometres north of Newcastle. I've taken a really weird route up through national parks and all sorts of stuff, and I've taken heaps of footage. I was very looking forward to sitting down and editing it, and I put my computer in, plugged it in, and it is not charging, and it won't turn on. And I did go through some storms, but the computer stayed dry in this waterproof bag, plus it was in my backpack that had the waterproof sack over it. It turned on last night. I turned it on just to make sure it was all still working. It was all good. But now I think it's something wrong with the battery, and I'm in the middle of nowhere. There's no computer repair stores around here. The nearest is up 150 kilometres up the highway. So it's a real bummer, because I was really enjoying walking, editing, making these videos. I felt like we were getting some momentum happening with the channel. The only thing I can think is, I mean, this laptop, it's been really good for about 5 years. I got it 5 years ago or 6 years ago. It's been telling me there's, warning battery problems, blah, blah, blah. Now I could get the battery replaced up in Port Macquarie. I'm getting a bit low on available money. I was like, all right, I got enough to get to Brisbane. I was like, oh, I might get away with something. Just get to Brisbane, release all these videos. Then maybe I was going to get a bike and ride back. And then go make some money for a while. But I do have access to funds that I can only get out at a bank. And that bank is at a branch which is sort of inland a bit. So I'm thinking I might walk up there, get out cash, and walk to Port Macquarie, and either get this computer fixed or maybe just buy another one of these computers that you can get for $1,500, which I'm going to need anyway, because I want to keep editing as I go, and it's like the tool of my trade, So anyway, this is a very kind of just practicality meets disaster kind of update. No highways, no trails, no forests, no dingoes, no dolphins, all the things that I've got, all this. This has a lot of good footage in it. And I can't get the footage off without using the computer as an intermediary. But there's still lots of space on this. I've still got enough space to film at least a week or so, because I've got a really big memory card. I just can't do anything with the footage. So it may end up like the Bateman's Bay to Sydney, where I was just updating on the phone as I went, and then compiling the full videos when I get back to Canberra or Merimbula, which isn't really what I wanted to do, because I was really enjoying making these videos, more proper looking videos, 10-15 minute narratives of my adventures, instead of these one take me talking to the camera kind of things. But is what it is. It's at least 5 days until I can do anything about this computer situation. I've been doing a lot of mileage, like 50 plus kilometres a day, and I need to take a break. I need to just chill out in Forster for a bit, even if I stay in a motel room tonight. I don't know. The goal was to not stay in any motel rooms and just sleep in the hammock, so that I could be a bit more, open to spending money on food. I've got 2 big waters, a large Coke and 2 hash browns. And I've been eating a lot of bananas and dried banana chips and oats. I'm spending way less money on food this time from Sydney to Brisbane than I did from Bateman's Bay to Sydney, because of the bigger pack. So that's where I'm at. You probably won't see proper videos from me, I don't know, maybe for ages, because I haven't got a computer to edit them on. It's such a bummer, but I do have this emergency fund in the bank that I was only going to touch for emergencies, but I have to walk there and get the cash out, because I don't have a card for that, don't have online banking, because I didn't want to touch that money unless I really needed to. And I think I really do need to, because I really want to keep making these videos, keep updating you all with my adventures. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. It's been really fun, and I hope to keep this ball rolling as I keep walking. Cheers.